I'm about to hit those bumps. Can you feel that? It's friggin' rough as hell. And if you go fast over it, it feels like it's just ruining your car. This has got suspension. Look. See, that's just friggin' rough. This is a friggin' van. See that shit? The steering was just jumping all over the place. But yeah, it gives you an idea. Steering was just Steering was just Steering was just Steering was just I just went over that last one at 33 miles an hour. We get in through here. We get in through there. Anywhere. Anywhere you like. On the Sherman. And I'm dry as a bone. So hot. I haven't drank any water. I didn't bring any water. Just so dry out here. Can't wait to get some fluids. You know those cyclists that wear masks? Crazy stuff, isn't it? Crazy stuff. Speaking of crazy stuff, look at this. Those are the new laws, guys. One kangaroo. The one kangaroo law. That's what we got over here. That's how we enforce it over here. Not one dog, one kangaroo. Not a small one either. It's gotta be an adult one, see? See, that's what they look like. That's what an adult kangaroo looks like. So, that's what we do, guys. That's what we do. Even if you haven't seen a kangaroo, that's what you got to do. Never seen a kangaroo? Never measured a kangaroo? I never measured one. So that's how we measure everything actually in Australia. See, this pergola is about 5 kangaroos long, built to spec, Australian standards. Australian standards, of course. And a couple of kangaroos high. And my trip home is about 1,500 kangaroos. So, bit of a journey, but we'll get there. We'll get there. And yeah, look, it's still hot, but it actually rained a little bit just earlier. Just like an hour ago. Just a few little droplets. Man, I can't talk properly, my mouth's so dry. I need to get some water. Need to get some water. All right, let's end this episode, guys. We'll see you next time. Hear that? You hearing that, guys? That is the noise. That is the noise I've been talking about. So my Sherman has been doing this pretty much since day one. Since, like, not day one exactly, but basically as soon as I got it. And yeah, it just does it randomly when it just when it's sitting there normally. It's not doing it too badly right now. Sometimes it just starts shaking like crazy. But I'm gonna send it in and get it fixed. So yeah, I'm assuming you can hear that. That's the noise. So if anyone knows what that is, let me know. I'm hoping it's not like a danger. I hope it doesn't pose a danger when riding. Can just hope. All I can do is hope. But I'm always wary, you know. I'm always thinking like, yeah, it's not like super reliable, you know. I can't just like trust in it. As a tradesman in Australia, we'd often forget our measuring tapes on the job. So no problem, we'll just step out into the bush, grab a kangaroo. They make great measuring tapes, especially with their tail. You just grab the tail, pull and measure. Simple as that, really. Get the job done and then set the kangaroo free into the wild. Off she goes. Alright guys, actually let's head out now. So whoa, we'll end the episode as we're leaving. Look at these speed bumps, right? And there was nothing. Oh man, I slowed down a little bit. I was going 35 and I slowed down to 33, which is about 54 kilometers per hour. And it was nothing. Like I said, I could have easily gone over at 35 miles an hour. I could go over at 40, top speed, man, top speed, 50. A beast. It just does it so easily. So you saw in my van, like, you saw how rough that is. And it's partly because it's only got one wheel. That's part of the reason why it's so stable. So I'm back on the... What's up? I'm back on the road. Speaking of the road Wireless Go, right now I'm using the inbuilt camera mic and I don't even have that piece of foam because I've got a different mount, so I couldn't chuck it on there, which sucks. But the Rode Wireless Go, it turns out, was worse than that piece of foam, that piece of trash that I put on the microphone. Found a chunk of foam in the bin and slapped it on there. It says I need an adapter. Best solution around. I reckon it looks cool. It suits it.
From the city's rooftops, the bin chicken has spotted something. Bins.
Piece of junk in the bin.
It says I need an adapter.
The bin chicken has adapted.
Good old piece of junk in the bin. That piece of trash actually did an amazing job at reducing the wind noise. And the wireless Go it's garbage. I was told to change some settings. I played with them. The sound is coming out too deep, like too bassy. You saw the trash, the piece of trash from the last episode. I said that was the best solution. I finally got this going now. As you can see, it's the camera and the Rode Wireless Go. This is a proper, professional mic.
Professional mic. Professional mic. The Rode Wireless Go.
And they told me that there might be something wrong with it, and to send it back in. So I'm gonna have to do that, and that sucks. I hate that because it just wastes your time, and everything seems to be breaking on me. Brand new stuff, but that's how it goes. So we're back to the original audio, and actually the reason we're back to this audio without that piece of foam is because my gimbal, you might have noticed, it keeps malfunctioning while I'm filming. This trail's going every which way, and I just gave up on it. I can't be bothered with that thing anymore. And that's where I had that piece of foam, that piece of trash, I had it customized to fit with that gimbal. So with this one, it won't really fit like that. Good old piece of junk in the bin. I'll get another piece of trash and make it work with this. So hopefully that'll be in the next video. You saw the trash, the piece of trash from the last episode, the piece of trash from Rode Wireless Go. And here we go then, let's go. Let's head off. Here we're at the train station, or bus interchange. People catching the bus. Like we don't have to catch the bus, huh, fellas? That's gonna suck. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing down there. I was meant to go out this way. But it won't be long and I'll see you guys there, alright? It's only got one wheel. That's part of the reason why it's so stable, Oh, this bit's super steep. Man, I love this thing. That's it then, guys. Oh, look at the birds. So, that's the end of the trail. I mean, that's the start of the trail. It's the start of the conservation area. So you enter through there, and those gates shut normally, and then cars can't get in, but we can still get in, right? Look at us. We get in through here. We get in through there. Anywhere you like. On the Sherman. And then we're on the street, just like that. In one fell swoop, we were on the fast lane. And that's it. All right, guys, we'll call that a day. Oh, look at this. This would be awesome for sliding. See all the rocks? All right. Next time. See you tomorrow or the day after. Cheers for watching till the end, guys. You saw the piece of trash from Road Wireless Go.